Hello. So I made this Anyten workflow for spares management. So I have here the master list, spares master list made in Airtable. So different items and categories. So this is perfect for property management, construction, convenience store, anything that are using inventories. Maybe you are selling shirts, shoes, merch, any merch, cabinets, items, IT supplies. This is perfect also. So the way this goes, if someone uses this form to withdraw, they will draw or you will replenish your items. You have some delivery, you will stock some items. So it will be updated. It will be updated here in the master list. It will update. So this is the purpose of this automation. And you can chat them. You can chat the AI. Do you still have maybe you need this gate bulb? So there's still 15. So if you will chat this AI, it will reply to you if there's still item before you're going to the warehouse to withdraw. So you can verify. Then it is also sending a daily report, weekly and monthly report. So, so it will have capacity to analyze the data and make a forecasted report. So let's try to run this. For example, from this we will run withdraw. Then okay. So it's now waiting for data here. Withdraw. Maybe this pipe seal tape. There's still 120 here. So where's the form? Uh, Maybe 15. With 15 here. 15 items. Rico for repair and submit. Thank you. So it will log the transaction. It will record. So let's check this transaction. This one. So Rico 15 pipe seal. So pipe seal. So this one it reduced the item now here. So it is updated. Next, we can try to run this Slack. We will chat this one. Trigger. Okay, we will go to the Slack. How many uh, or do you still have pipe seal? Then enter. Let's check the workflow. So okay now. Agent is reviewing now the database. So it will finalize the generating his answer. Okay, it responded now. There are 105 remaining located at this rack. So it's good working. Now, for this generate report, it's very long, but I already ran this tree. It will send to my Gmail. So I will show you the email that. So from here, there's a daily. Here, he sent me a daily, weekly, and monthly report. So I'll show you the daily. So this is the daily executive summary. Critical low stock item, out of stock. So no out of stock. Purchase recommendations. Uh, Tas AI recommendations. So this is the basic. Then let's go to the weekly report. So this is the even the value, critical items, because it's important for operation. So that's why I like this critical. And it will monitor the low stock items. So it will tell you to buy now. So what are critical if it reaches zero, even the costing. So if you have budget, you can compare this one for your annual budget capex. So this is the summary health status of spares. Weekly insights here, recommended actions. Then we'll go to the monthly report. Monthly report cost, the performance, summary, fast moving spares. This is the important. Fast moving, demand forecast for 30, 60. So because based on this one, it will adjust here. You still have it will recommend to you to adjust the minimum and maximum of the spares. Even the slow moving stocks or there's nothing much using these items. It will detect also performance, supplier, equipment, reliability analysis, even the affected systems. It will know also. And there's some recommendations here. Implement predictive. So you have based on this withdrawal, it can analyze even the system that have problems. Budget forecast. So monthly budget forecast, so you can measure here also. Strategic recommendations. So this is the monthly report. Okay. So I guess this is it. This is Spansit. Okay. Bye.